Hello, I'm going to show how to make a first-person shooter. In part 4, the AI bot dies and spawns, and the player dies and restarts the level. In part 3, the player shoots using a line trace, and the AI bot and the player take any damage. To make the player shoot, under Project Settings, Input, I created the Shoot Action Mapping. On the first person character, I created the Do Shoot code and the input action shoot code. To make the bot and the first person character take any damage, on the first person character I created the event AnyDamage code, and on the AI bot the event AnyDamage code. Right-click AI bot care, edit. Right-click, search for custom event. I'm going to name it DoDeathBot and drag out the exec, search for branch. Drag out health, get health, and drag the pin on health, search for less than or equal to, connect the output to condition, drag the true pin from branch, search for do once, drag off a completed, search for detach from controller pending destroy, and drag off the exec pin, search for play animation mesh, on the drop down new anim to play, select death_1, drag off the exec pin, search for delay. I'm going to put in 10. And drag off completed, search for spawn AI from class. Under on class, select AI bot care. Under behavior tree, select behavior tree. For location, minimize the window. Select your AI bot care that's in the scene and copy X. Z. Drag off the exec key and search for destroy actor. This is the DoDeathBot code that was just created. Find the Event AnyDamage code print string, drag off the exec pin, search for DoDeathBot. This is a review of the event AnyDamage code. We added the DoDeathBot node. This is a review of the DoDeathBot code. Compile and save. Right click first person character, edit, right click, search for custom event. I'm going to name it DoDeathPlayer. Drag off the exec pin, search for branch. Drag in health, get health. Drag out the health pin, search for less than or equal to. Take the output to condition. Drag off true, search for detach from controller pending destroy. Drag off the exec pin, search for delay, put in 5. Drag off completed, search for open level. For level name, put FirstPersoneExampleMap. Look for the event AnyDamage code and drag off of print string, search for DoDeathPlayer. This is a review of the event AnyDamage code. I added the DoDeathPlayer node. This is a review of the DoDeathPlayer code. Compile and save. In this test, I'm going to kill the bot, and it should play the death animation and spawn a new bot. It just spawned a new bot, so it's working correctly. In this test, I'm going to let the bot kill the player. I'm going to test that the player controller is disconnected and that it restarts the level. I'm going to move back and forth so you can see when the controller is disconnected. It's at player health 25. The controller was disconnected and it restarted the level, so it's working correctly.